have the CIA at your disposal. Use the house as spy in any way you see fit.
Thank you.
We're done here?
I have another item.
You're good.
2 American kids were arrested and imprisoned in Syria for attempting to join al-Nusra. Alex and Ethan Cole, 2 brothers from Hartford, Connecticut. Intel on them is that they are self-proclaimed journalists. They have an activist website called One Free World, the basic premise of which is war bad, peace good.
So they joined a jihadist group to drive home that point?
Al-Nusra is not a jihadist group, although it has jihadist elements. But its immediate goal is to overthrow the Syrian government, which I think we both agree upon is not the paradigm of virtue.
I stand corrected. The kids are peace-loving freedom fighters.
There's no reason to think they had any interest in al-Nusra except as amateur journalists. Mainly they use Instagram and Facebook to demonstrate poverty and poor treatment of women.